About the topic is DT based topic on Vernier Caliper failure. Okay. First, what is DT means is a design thinking. So, what is design thinking means problem solving technique. Okay. It's having 5 stages. Can anyone say the 5 stages of the DT?
Empathize. Understand the user problem. Identify what user struggles with while using a Vernier scale reading. Students often struggle with zero error and least count calculations. Students often cannot read accurately the Vernier scale, main scale and reading. Define. Frame the main problem. Students and beginner users faces difficulty while taking accurate measurements using a Vernier scale reading due to zero error, confusion and scale alignment. Ideate. Generate solution ideas. Creating multiple ideas without judging them. Color scale reading highlighted in blue or red. Multiple scale reading which uses black color. Prototype is to build a practical and simpler equation results which is used in main scale reading for black color and color scale reading for easier scale reading measurements. There are two types of failures which occurs in Vernier scale. Backlash error. It occurs when looseness of the jaws. It produces error while reading, taking inaccurate measurements using Vernier scale. And zero error. Zero error occurs when the zero of the main scale reading and Vernier scale reading do not coincidence when the jaws are fully closed.
So this is a major 5 stages of the DD based in Vernier caliper. Next one, can anyone say what is Vernier caliper and the types of the calipers? Mainly the Vernier caliper is the linear measuring instruments. Which another point types of verniers.
Intra-vernier caliper, standard vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper, dial vernier caliper, internal vernier caliper, external vernier caliper, micrometer vernier caliper, vernier height gauge, vernier depth gauge.
Vernier depth gauge. So vernier height gauge is specially measured for the height of the object, and also vernier depth gauge means is the depth of the object or depth of the product. Can anyone say the failure reason for vernier caliper?
So for failure reasons, there are two major failures: zero error and backlash error. Zero errors is we have to identify whether it's positive zero or negative zero. To overcome this, identify the zero error, positive or negative, and apply the corrections in reading. Backlash errors, we have to apply slightly constant pressure in the vernier calipers while reading. These are the
major error of the or major points of the failure reasons. Okay. How to overcome that?
Sir, yes, sir. As I said, to overcome the backlash error, apply the slight constant pressure in the vernier caliper, sir.
Okay, constant pressure.
And then zero error is to overcome the zero error, we have to identify the error, sir, whether it's positive or negative, and we have to apply in measuring, sir, whether it's positive or not.
Okay. So majorly this type of vernier caliper is linear type of measurements. Linear means is the length, width, thickness or depth or diameter of the object. Again, you know the concern is the points.
So finally concluding the vernier caliper, these are the major errors and happening in the vernier caliper. And zero error, backlash error, and there are many types of vernier calipers. They are used for a linear measurements. So thank you.
Okay. So these are the overall points of the types of the calipers and also major failure reasons. Okay. And also how to overcome. Another point failure reasons. Any what idea?
Sir, it's main about the manufacturing defect and the cause of the zero measure.
Okay, very good point. Okay, manufacturing defect and also causes of the defect. Another one important point is the environmental condition. The environmental condition is very important because it is majorly related to the corrosion. What is corrosion?
So corrosion is rushing through. In Tamil,
good. So the rushing of the product. Okay. So how to avoid the corrosion means by using the lubrication methods and also to maintain the environmental temperature like 20 degrees Celsius to or 25 degrees Celsius. This point is also very important in order overcome the failure of the vernier caliper. Okay. Thank you, Kanan. Thank you.
manufacturing defects, sir. While manufacturing the vernier caliper, there are many defects like manpower defect happens, and environmental condition is a main factor for happening the errors, sir. Environmental condition, as you said, corrosion also is the main condition for the happening the vernier caliper errors, sir. To overcome this, or manufacturing, we have to be attention while manufacturing the vernier caliper. And then environmental condition, we have to read the room temperature before we doing the experiment.
Temperature means
Uh,
which level of temperature?
At 25 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Like, and then we have to be conscious while reading the vernier caliper to avoid the errors. Thank you.